Once upon a time, in the colorful world of Sugar Rush, lived a charming girl named Vanellope von Schweetz. Vanellope loved racing with her friends, but she was always different from them. She was small, and her cart was a mess, but she had a heart full of courage. One day, a glitch appeared in Sugar Rush, causing chaos and disorder. The citizens were scared, and the racing game was no longer fun. Vanellope, with her warm heart, decided to help. She remembered a strange code she once heard from a wise old glitch named C37. She gathered her friends and set off on an adventure to find C37. They journeyed through the Candy Mountains, across the Chocolate River, and even through the sticky marshmallow woods. C37 lived in a dark corner of the arcade, a place even Vanellope had never been before. She was nervous, but determined. C37, she said, I need your help. The glitch is causing trouble in Sugar Rush, and I want to fix it. C37 smiled and said, I've been waiting for someone like you, Vanellope. I will help you. With C37's help, Vanellope learned a new code that could fix the glitch. She returned to Sugar Rush, ready to save the day. The glitch disappeared, and Sugar Rush returned to its sweet normalcy. The citizens cheered, and Vanellope was hailed as a hero. From that day on, Vanellope von Schweetz was no longer just a different racer. She was the savior of Sugar Rush, and she wore her title with pride. And as she raced, she remembered the adventure, the challenges, and the friends she had made. She knew that no matter what came her way, she would always be ready to help. So, children, remember to be brave like Vanellope. Embrace your differences, and always be ready to help your friends. Good night.